How do bees make honey? While humans have been collecting honey from beehives for long, the real question is, how does the honey get there in the first place? How do the bees make honey and store it? A single beehive has between 10,000 to 60,000 bees. The worker bees start making honey by visiting flowers. They collect sugary juice called nectar from the blossom by sucking it out with their tongue. They store this in their honey stomach, which is different than their food stomach. They fly back to their hive once their honey stomach is full. Once in hive, they pass on this nectar to a house bee, who initiates the process of converting this nectar to honey by adding the enzyme Invertase present in their stomach and mouth and chewing it for half-hour. This breaks down the nectar into simple sugar. This mixture is then passed on from house bee to house bee, where the process is repeated until this nectar is fully converted into honey. It is then stored in honeycomb cells, which are like tiny jars of wax. At this stage, honey is still wet, so the house bees fan it with their wings until it becomes dry and sticky. Post that, they cover it with a wax lid to keep it clean. And this is how bees make honey. Trivia time. Do you know it takes 8 bees all their life to make a teaspoon of honey? In a single visit, a bee visits 100 flowers to collect the nectar.